So good morning guys. Today I'm going to share my very simple daily routine with you all guys. I'll try to capture all the things. Shant Ram! They're not. I'll upload this. Okay, so in this video you can see what type of comedian in my home. So we will continue this vlog further. I'm going to show one of the beautiful singer in my home. As you have seen what they are doing. If you want to see this all kind of the comedy, then stay tuned in my vlog till the end. So now I'm going to do a little workout. Then I'll do my other work. Next level comedy in my home. That's why I wasn't able to capture or record my videos. This one is trying to irritate me in my vlog. Today's video will be very fun because today I am going to show you very funny things in my home. So this is the first view what they all are doing here. Wait.
Phenolex stool.
Phenolex. Okay, so we are here not promoting any brand. So finally I have taken bath and it's around 11:30. After some time I'll take my lunch. So let's go on our shop. This is our shop and this area is our living area. And now let's go on our shop. I'm going to show you. Sunny, let's go another room. I have turned. I have taken bath. Now I am in another room. So guys, I'm going my farm side. I'll show there something. I don't know what I'll show, but I'll try to show something that you have never seen in city area. In of course in a village you can see so many things that is not available in city. So as you can see, this is our farm and the crop from this field is harvested and others are not till now. And this is our small pond. Here you can see. And where okay, there are two people, they are talking about something. And I have already shown so many things from here, like this is a guava tree and here is so many leafy vegetables. So let's go. I'm waiting for my mummy, what time she will come. She's coming and my sister is also coming. I'll try to communicate with them, but they will maybe not because they have some work in our farm. They will do that and I'll capture my vlog where they both are. Okay, mummy, come. Okay, so guys, what's going on in your life? Come. One day my mom will scold me a lot. You have only one work, like we're doing vlogging. So what I can do, I like this very much. So this is my passion, my habit, my hobby, whatever you can say. So here you can see where I'm walking. Maybe there can be the monkey, but my mom and my sister both are coming, so there is no problem. Anu, come. My mother will not come in my video. She will laugh otherwise. And Anu is coming. Come. Silent. So my sister lost something here. Let's see for that. Let's find who will on that first. So she lost
Hi guys,
one
I
from
lost
this.
this one pair of my shoes.
Okay,
Something.
let's see. I think this will be where it will be. Okay, let's show that. Let's ask to her, like, if I will find that first, then what she will give me. Anu, if I'll find first, then what will you give me? So Okay, she is saying to me she will make something for me that I like very much. So okay, let's find for that. Okay, she is going now, as you can see. Will you come or not? Okay, you can see also roadside. Huh? Oh, oh God, she found that. So she have found one pair of teddy bear. Come, come. So she lost that on the way. Who is coming? Who is coming? What? Where? So if I talk about today's weather, then weather was not good. It was very sunny. It's too hot. I wasn't feeling like to do something. Very boring day. I was trying to capture everything, but I wasn't able to do that because of this weather. Most of the people they feel in this much of the sunny weather like very boring. I'm telling about me. So now I want to sit on that place. Then I'll talk to you. So let's sit. Then we will talk about something. It's evening time, and now this time I'm feeling good for capturing my vlogs because it's not sunny and weather is in my favor. You can say because if you want to record your videos in outdoor, then everything should be in your favor. Like there should not be raining, not too much sunny. Then you can do vlogging in a good way. For me, I'm telling this like if there will be sunny, then I can't record. And if there is, and I think from the last 1 week it was raining very much. Yes. See again telling to me, Didi, come. Huh? आ जाओ. Okay, so in around my home there are so many kids, and if I'm vlogging outside and they are looking to me, then they will definitely call me Didi. And after if I will say to them like come in my vlog, then we will come in later, like this kind of things. Again she is coming. Come. She is dancing in our field. Okay, background sound is again coming. Okay, okay, I'll show you something. If you are from city, then it will be rarely visible.
Call someone.
What?
You mean your
What?
phone? I will call someone.
You have your phone, then why?
I don't have the charge.
Garibi. So guys, I have to first give to have two phone. See, want to call someone, then I'll continue my vlogging. So wait for 5 minutes. 5 minutes is enough.
एक मिनट बस.
Okay, okay, I'll continue my vlogging after 1 minute. Okay. So guys, I want to tell you one thing about active listening and passive listening. So let's understand what is active listening and passive listening. So if you want to learn English, like if you want to speak confidently, then it doesn't matter. Not always need to listen. What happened? Again one voice going Didi. I told you many times there are so many kids around my home and they are calling to me like a Didi because that is a road area. That's why. So okay, let's come on the topic. So I was telling about the active listening. So if you want to learn something, then don't wait for the right time because right time will not come. You have to practice it in every situations. Like people are always not free to watch any vlog, to watch any broadcast in English. You can watch that all kind of things partially. Sometimes if you are doing some work, then that time you can watch that video. You don't have need to a proper time to watch and that video properly sit on the table and listen everything. This is not always needed. If you are doing that, then this is good, but if you don't have a time, then you can try these things because sometimes I also don't have much time to do this all kind of the activities. In that situation, what I do, Like if I am doing some work, like if I'm eating, then that time I used to watch some English podcast, some English cartoon, any other vlogging channel in YouTube that is helping for my communication. So I used to do that, like I'm eating also, and I'm also partially listening that all kind of the broadcast, and that will enhance my English. I know this is not always good for everyone. That's why I'm telling to you, like if you have a time, then you can continue your like if you're watching something, then you can listen actively, like a proper attention. But if you don't have time, then you can also listen partially, like a passive listening. So this is suggestion from my side, like whatever is the time according to your situation, then you can do that. And my mother is going from here. Mummy, wait for me also. Come, we will make vlog. Come na yaar. Okay, I'll come after 10 minutes. I have to teach them something. Okay, so listen to me carefully. Hmm. Okay, I'm not a teacher. Okay, I was just kidding. So just be remember that, like don't wait for the right time. Like I'll start English learning in this time if I have a proper time. Don't do this all kind of things. You can start anywhere, anytime if you want to learn. If you ask to me, like I don't have really much time to record videos, to watch some English broadcasts. But while having my breakfast, then in morning time, I give 15 minutes to watch some vlogging, English vlogging, or something related to broadcast, and that is helping me a lot. Like while eating, I'm just I'm getting some knowledge, like how to create a vlog, how to communicate with the audience, all kind of things I'm just learning in my free time. I'm doing this all kind of things, and I have already told, like I like vlogging. So that's why I'm making this vlog, and I want to share this thing with you guys, like how much is important also passive listening. So don't all rely on the active listening. You can also try passive listening, and write on the comment box, like this will helpful for you or not. Like you can you can comment after 1 week, 1 month in this video, like that will help in your vlog, sorry, in your English learning journey or not. I will be happy to see that, like this will helpful for you or not. So let's go back to home. Okay, okay, wait. It's not easy to walk on the field area. Okay, as you can see where I was sitting. So let's go, and we will continue our vlogging. I'll try to consistent in my YouTube channel, but as you know, like it's not possible to capture every day in life. So many things is happening, so you can't capture everything. And okay, I'll try to do all kind of things. And I don't know, like what I'm using, like a word very much. Sorry for that, but I'll try to reduce this to overcome this. Okay, so for this, forgive me. I'm going to show you, this is a banana tree. I like this very much, but there is a buffalo. They can eat this, and my mother was scolding them very much today morning. I think yes, by today morning. And there is also some other tree. If that will be grow up, then I'll show you. And one of very important part of my DIY curry leaves. I'm very happy to see that this is in my home, and this is our mango tree. I don't know when we will eat fruits from this. The very important part of my videos is that, like if you are liking my videos, then please don't forget to do like, subscribe guys. And you can do, and you can say to someone, like they have need to watch this kind of the videos for their practice, for their confidence, whatever you can say. For that you can send them, and you can increase my subscribers, my viewers, everything in your hand. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. I hope you will like this video.